So struggled with the shock getting this in because there's that tube there. Well, let's get a better light on this. There you go. Because that tube right there, it starts all the way down there, and you gotta be able to get the shock in. And it doesn't work so good when it's extended, and it doesn't come with any straps, so it's already like extended when you take it out. I got the as you can see, I got it jammed in there too, so it kind of bent that a little bit. So let's see how this works. You can see where this would have gotten jammed in there because it's up against that. I don't know if you can see or not. Do we need to go even more? I made it even shorter, so hopefully this will be what it takes. So here's, I don't know if you can see in there, it's just a tube. And then there's the hole on the end there. But anyway, so here we go. We just go ahead and put that right in the hole. Bring around down into there. And now she came out. Oh, look at that. She went right up in there. Nice. Alright, so this is cool. So next issue is they're a little too wide, so can't seem to get them in there. So now I have to get this back out. Oh my god. I don't want you to see this. There's going to be swearing. Alright. We'll do this one for real. Because I know how to do it now. I could either use a quarter. Actually, this might work just as well. Alright. So I'm going to do the bottom. Need the breaker bar, but I'm not getting back up to get something smaller. There you go. You can see that that's exposed. So I just need to get this on it. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be performing very well. have to pry this out. Oh, it's not coming easy. It's all right, I'll just rip it out. All right, so this is the width. No, actually this has, that's 1.5. So that's cool. So I can so I need to take, oh actually, if I just take this end off, that's all I have to do. That should be good. So yeah, that'll work. All right, next. So I'm actually putting this one upside down. So I'm actually going to put this one upside down because there isn't a lower bushing, and it says so in the book. It just has the washer and then a top. So and then I'll put this on and this one on when I on this nut. But what I need to do is compress this with zip ties. I just keep reusing the same one, so all I have to do is pull. Let's see, put that there, and try to put this so it's in the middle. Now I want it to be all the way down. So let's there. Let's cut these. Now this should go in. Why? More difficult. Oh. Almost. That's not gonna work. There we go. And is it? Oh, it goes right in. Nice. There we go. Pushing down. Washer down. And there we go. Done. All right. All right. Next, it's the rear shocks, but that's for another day.